Morning viewers, we are reporting on road reference caused by landslide. Majalengka, November 22, 2024. The local government of Majalengka acted quickly to address the impact of a landslide that occurred in the area on June 21, 2024. The landslide caused severe damage to the main road connecting Majalengka Regency and Kuningan Regency. The landslide, caused by heavy rainfall, disrupted transportation, especially for local residents who rely on this road for these daily activities. One resident said, "We hope the road is fixed quickly because it is very important for our mobility, especially to transport agricultural products. The repairs are expected to be complete in 4 months, depending on the weather and the availability of materials. The local government is committed to assuring the road and can be asked by the community as soon as possible." This all the news for today.